Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video we will discuss the same map that we made in previous video, and we'll convert it into a 3D model of a house. So the commands we will be using are the same as were discussed in 3D modeling basics. The link of that video is also given in description. We will use press pull command for extruding the walls and the pillars of the house. We have already discussed the press pull command in previous videos. It is very easy to use. Click on press pull, select the area which you want to extrude. You have to place the square box inside that area that you want to extrude. Once you add the extruded distance, you can extrude the rest of the rectangular surfaces by just clicking in that area and pressing spacebar. It will automatically input the same values for all the walls. As you know, it is same process for all the walls. I will not discuss it detail. Extrude this pillar as well and all the boundary walls. After completing the walls, we will move to the inner wall of the house. Let us suppose the height of the wall is approximately, normally the height of the walls are 10 to 12 feet. We will enter like 11 feet and let's see how it looks. Looks perfect. I will do the same for rest of the walls. I will keep the windows just like that. I will leave it and will extrude the walls only and the pillars. So now once you enter 11 feet, you just have to press space bar to extrude the rest of the closed boundaries. For press pull, you need to show all the enclosed area and place this square box inside that area. We'll extrude all these walls one by one, leaving the area for the space for doors and windows that we will complete after doing this. Delete this surface. Press pull this area, then the smaller one, then the pillar and another small wall. Extrude this complete area. So it is very easy to press pull it instead of extruding. Once all the boundaries of the house are complete, We will move to windows and foundations for the windows. We'll discuss that. Few walls are left. These two walls or three walls are left. I think there is a doubling of some lines. Hopefully it will work now. Make it an enclosed area and it works. We'll do the same for rest of the cross section areas. If it doesn't extrude, it means that the lines are not enclosed. So that's it, the wall are done. After this we will make foundation for the window. Suppose the height of the window is 6 feet and the total height of the wall is 11 feet. What we have to do is we have to make a foundation for the window. Suppose it's 2 feet, and then we'll place our window on that foundation and we'll make another beam to place it on that window to complete the wall. Let's see. I'll delete the window lines from it first. Delete these lines. You can trim or delete. By doing so, we can now press pull it. We will pull it up till 2 feet. This 2 feet is good enough. We'll do the same for the pillars as well. Erase extra lines. We'll press pull this one till 11 feet. So now we can make windows after we complete the bases. Delete extra lines. This one is a little complex. We'll make it towards the end of the window making. Now let's connect these lines just like that. Pick a line from this corner and join it here. I just want to make an enclosed surface, so I can press pull it. We'll do it till 2 feet. Yes, 2 feet is good. Now press pull it till 2 feet. Delete extra lines. Then again press pull it. Hope you know how I am rotating the 3D model. It is very easy. You can rotate it by clicking, by left clicking while holding shift and moving your mouse. All the basics are discussed in earlier videos. Hope you know. Now we'll remove extra lines and extrude this. It's gone in wrong direction. I will extrude it again or press pull it again. You have to drag it in the required direction a little to show it direction. Delete extra lines. Now press pull. So now we have spaces for windows. The next step should be creating window or the beams over windows that are also necessary. These three, a few pillars have to be extruded first. These are for veranda. I will extrude these till 11 feet as well, so they can touch the roof. Here we have it. The model of ground floor is almost complete. We need windows now. For windows, I think we should create the beam first that will be placed above windows. Let's create that beam. Make a rectangle. Size of the rectangle is 5 feet and 6 inches. Or so this is the rectangle, 5 feet by 6 inches. We'll press pull it to the height of 3 feet. Now copy this rectangular block and place it above every window space. I will copy it from here and place it above window space. Copying and moving is just the same. Place it here, then here. So cover all the spaces for the beam. These were the front side beams. To make it sidewise, rotating it is also the same. It has been discussed in previous video. Select this from this point and place it over here, then pick it from the desired corner and place it on the desired corner. I hope you know how to copy and paste an object. If you don't know, you can also always consult with the previous videos that I have uploaded. The link is also shared in the description. To copy something, you just have to click on copy icon, then select the object, press enter, then pick the point from which you want to move it, and then select the point on which you want to place it. So copying is very easy, it's not that difficult. Now I think we have spaces for all the windows. The next step should be creating windows. Creating windows is not that difficult. You can 3D model something in this workspace and then move it and place it on the required or desired place. I will just make window. Size of the window will be 5 feet wide and 6 feet high. Now make a design that you want to make. Create the design. It's up to you. I'll just make the boundaries, wooden boundaries. After completing wooden boundaries, I will draw a central line and then offset two lines from this center line. Delete the center line. Now trim additional lines and extrude to make frame for the window. Once frame is ready, you can extrude it or press pull it. 6 inches is the width of the wall, so we will extrude it up to 6 inches. After completing frame, we can press pull its empty space in window layer, press pull it to 6 inches, and here we have model of window. Now we can move this window and place it on all required areas or spaces. Rotate it about this axis. Now we can move it or copy it and place it in all front faces, just like this. Now rotate it about vertical axis and place it in the required spaces. Just like this. I think this space is more than the width of the window. I'll just move these parts, delete the earlier window, and then press pull the inner face of the pillar. Press pull inner face of the pillar. Make sure you are in wall layer when you are making walls. The windows are done. Now we'll move to these front windows. Size of this front window is not 5 feet. So for that we will make a frame first equal to the space and press pull it to 6 inches. We'll follow same procedure over here. After press pulling, we can make, okay, we'll leave this, I think we'll leave this for now. After press pulling, I'll make 2 more rectangles in the brown frame and press pull to subtract it from rectangular area, or just like that. Then again press pull it to make blue shade of windows. Now we will place UCS over here. Move the line in this pattern. Okay. Now we can move this line or cross section from here to an open space, and now press pull this up till your required height. Now move this back from a corner, move it from this corner and place it over here. So this is how you can move and make windows. Once we are done with the windows, the next step should be roof for this ground floor. Let's make the stairs before completing roof. Just click on one of them and press pull it till the height of a stair. The stair heights are represented by rise and tread. So the rise in this case is 8 inches. I will make multiples of 8. This will be 16 and the other will be 24 and so on. All will be multiples of 8. For 3D modeling you need a good graphics card, you need GPU instead of CPU. So if you don't have a good GPU, your model will hang your software, or sometimes glitches like this will appear. For press pull you need a enclosed area, so I'm enclosing this area before press pulling it. Sometimes if you have issues like this, you can always move to top view for easy drawing. See, if I click on top view, it will become very easy to draw. Just select this point and move here, and just like this. Now press pull will work. Let me raise it another 8 inches. Now the next will be around, try to make it multiple of 8. So in this way we will complete all the stairs. The next step is now the roof of the building. For creating roof of the building, I need to make I need to draw all the boundaries of the wall. But before that, let me copy this and move it to a certain distance, as this will work for me when I am modeling the first floor. As the first floor is similar to ground floor, after completing or making the roof, I will place the same copied model on top of it to convert it into first floor. I've reduced the height of the walls so we can see the house clearly. I've changed it to 5 feet. Now all the walls are 5 feet tall. A line is missing over here. To draw this line, I will pick line command and join these points to make an enclosed area. Only then the press pull command will work. So this is how we can make the rectangular areas. I'll just zoom it in a little. So after press pulling all the walls and the pillars, delete this wall. Make another rectangle or move this one down and then press pull it again till 5 feet. The model is ready. Now we can move towards the roof. Roof and covered terrace. So now we will select and keep our UCS over here. Looking from top, we will trace its boundaries just like this. Trace all the external boundaries of the house. Start tracing from here. Now we can easily move this traced lines by turning off the remaining layers. Go to layers and turn off all additional layers. Just keep the roof layer on. This is how you turn off the layers, by switching off the bulb next to it. I'll just keep the roof layer on. Now we can easily select this. We'll offset it a little to make the overhangs and hedges. After offsetting all the lines, just join them. Make sure you have turned on the layer in which you want to draw. If the layer is turned off, you cannot see lines that you are drawing. Trim extra lines. join them like this. Erase extra lines. We are almost done with the roof boundary. To make sure it works properly, I will trace this one as well with a polyline. Once you trace it till top, delete the previous line and extrude this one. Let's suppose 6 inches. So the roof is done. Now turn on all the layers and you will see it is at the base of the house. You can move it up to the roof of the house in the same way as we did the other models. Copy this roof, select it. Now move it from this point to this corner and place it. That's it. Model of the house is complete. The ground floor is complete. Now to make first floor, it is very easy. If it looks like the ground floor, I've already copied this portion. Remove extra features. Just like that. Now copy this from any desirable point, suppose this one, and we'll place it over here. Here we have it. The 2 floors of house are complete. To make another roof on top of first floor, the house model is complete. Now you can do as much editing as you want. You can make your own doors, you can make rails, roof rails, you can make grills, You can make stair railing. You can add lighting. You can do anything you want. The basics of the house modeling is complete. We'll just do some quick rendering. I will add material to the objects or the walls and features of the house. It's just to show you how you can add colors. You have the color codes as well. So if you want to search it by code, you can search it over here. Suppose I want to color something, you just have to select or drag the color on it like this, or you can select all the areas that you want to color and then click on it, color them at once. So this is a wall paint. We have a lot of wall paints, built-in wall paints. You can also import new wall paints from to library from other sources. Now we'll go to stone. We have stone as well. You can add stone color, you can add wood color. We have different patterns of wood. Suppose I want to color the pillar like a wood. Select all the pillars. Now click on this and here we have it. You can change pattern of the wood as well. You can add tiles. You can add tiles to the wall. You can change color of the tiles. You can add glass to the windows. I'll select all the blue shades. After selecting all the shades, go to material. In material you have solid glass. Click on solid glass. We'll have option of glass. You can select from opaque to totally transparent. So that's how you can model a glass. We'll do the same for rest of the glass as well. Go to material. From there we can select solid glass and drag it over here. So this is how you can make solid glasses. You can see inside of the house from through the glass. Now delete extra things that you don't want. For further rendering, we'll use same steps. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Hope you liked the video.